Assalamu alaikum, dear viewers. What a good view here in Quetta. We are traveling from Quetta to Khuzdar. It has been snowfall here in Quetta for last 2 days. Beautiful view you are looking here. It seems that we are in paradise. In 2017 it had snowfall here. Again it has been snowfall here in Quetta. It would have long lasting impact on flora and fauna. After this snowfall, our agriculturists, farmers, shepherds looking very happy. They are expecting that 2020 will bring for them prosperous life, prosperity. This area was in the grip of drought for last many years. I think this chain has been broken now. Again, the people had migrated to other areas, now will come back and resettle here and keep themselves busy in their agricultural activities. For last 2 days, heavy snowfall, the roads were blocked. Now these moving vans and vehicles give a message that ahead road is clear. Look, snow-capped hills of Chiltan, snow-capped land of Dasht Miangundi, looking very beautiful. It's looking that it has worn ornament of silver. Friends, are you happy?
Yes.
Viewing this scenario? Very happy. These are heart touching.
It's first time we are looking such scenes in our lives, because it happens, but not as it is now. It is more than in history when I have seen.
Yes, dear Aslam, I agree with you. Rarely such kind of incidents, beautiful views we get in a year or after many years. So this beautiful view we are seeing, I think after 2017 we have got opportunity. Okay, such kind of view scenario brings happiness, and people get happy, feel happy, especially our farmers. Now they are hopeful that their whole 2020 will bring prosperity for them. Now road is blocked here. I don't know why the long vehicle is standing here. I don't know, it is out of order. Yes, again we have continued our journey towards our hometown, Khuzdar. Look, the trees. Still, snow is on their top, looking very beautiful and happy, like man. Maybe ahead road is blocked. Road is little bit sleepy because of frozen snow, yes.